soon as I came here, it just really seemed to stand out for us that teachers knew what they were doing.
Throughout this interprofessional learning, it really gives our students the opportunity to learn from other professionals.
Collaborating with other students is always beneficial.
You don't feel alone in that accomplishment.
And it will help you transfer life skills into many other areas of work.
Well, I've always grown up being a creative individual. I've always been told off in school for doodling in my workbooks, and I thought, why not make a career out of it?
Students are also encouraged to bring their own personalities, which we need for them to shine in the classroom and share their experiences.
As a mature student and LGBT, as well as a care leaver as well, I think that's many different ways the university is inclusive.
I was very, very lucky to have been offered a job with Frontier Developments.
Recently we heard of an ex-student who has recently won an Emmy.
I've gone on to do an industrial placement here at BAE Systems Submarines.
And it's given me the chance to start my own company.
This is a full-on 24/7 non-stop course if you want to get good results.
You might as well stay and do a postgrad.
Definitely follow up with a PGCE.